This is going to be easy. Love it. Okay? Now, section 4.5, subtracting integers. We've added integers. Now we're going to subtract them. Okay? But you know what? We're going to use a number line. We're going to. Okay? Now, let's look at the first one. I'm going to probably have to erase and give myself some room. Maybe not. Let's see. I'll draw some lines and just see what happens. On this first one, it says -6 minus 4. Where are we beginning on the number line? Jenna? At -6. I'm going to put -6 over here because I know which way we need to go. If I'm taking away 4, which direction will I move, Vivian? Towards the left. How many spaces? 4. All right, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's figure out what that number is. If this was -6, what's this number, Emma?
-5.
I'm sorry?
-5.
No.
-7.
-7. As we're moving away from 0, these numbers are going to get bigger, right? Daniel, what's this one?
-8.
-8. How about the next one? Elise? -9. And what about the last one there, Alan? -10. Everybody happy with that? So our answer is -10?
Yes.
Now, you know what I love? You know what I love? You know what I love.
Yes.
I love math, but think about this. Here's another way that you can do it, if you feel comfortable with it. How many negatives?
6.
How many negatives?
4.
Together, how many negatives?
10. That's so awesome.
That's why I did it.
Easy. Fine. Jenna?
That's why I would do it.
If you don't want to use the number line, Jenna, you don't need to, as long as you feel comfortable with this. But now, let's look at the next one. The next one says 3 minus -5. So where are we beginning? Where are we beginning this problem? Jenna? Wait, 3 minus -5. Where does it start? On the number line. At 3. Good. I'm going to put it right here. Here's 3. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me move this stuff. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to put 3 right here. Now, it says minus -5. Which direction do I move when I'm minusing negatives? Zachary?
To the left.
No.
Wait, no, to the right.
To the right, because I'm taking away negatives. That means I'm going away from the negatives. How many spaces away from the negatives?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's that take us to? Raise your hand. Daniel?
8.
It takes us to 8. Okay, so our answer is 8. Now, let's do it the way we learned the other day. What do I not like about the way this looks? Elise? There are 2 signs there, right? What does a negative and a negative turn into for us, Daniel? Addition. 3 plus 5 equals 8. You can also do it that way. That's perfectly fine with me. David, 3 minus 7. Where does the problem begin?
Oh,
It begins at 3. And I'm taking away 7, or I'm minusing 7. Which direction do I want to go in, David? I want to go to the left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that point? Do you know? -4. I know that this is 0, right? Because that was 3. So 1, 2, 3 takes me back to 0. And I had 4 on the other side. -4. Well, let me ask you this. Let's use what we did the other day. How many positives?
3.
How many negatives?
7.
When they cancel out, what am I left over? What's left over? Vivian?
4.
4 what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
-4, right? Because I had 7 negatives. Is everybody happy with that?
Yes. Yes.
Make sense? Good, let's look at the next one.